Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got something truly special for all you pizza enthusiasts out there.
Get ready, because we're diving into the world of the best pizza oven door cast iron available. The Minuteman International Cast Iron Cleanout Door.
Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this door is an absolute game-changer for your pizza oven setup. First off, let's talk durability. This door is made from high-quality cast iron with a matte black finish, ensuring it can withstand the intense heat of your pizza oven without breaking a sweat. Plus, with its hinged door design and single bolt closure, safety and ease of use are top priorities. Installation is a breeze, folks. Just pop this bad boy onto your oven, secure it with a bolt, and you're good to go. No need to fuss around with complicated setups or tools. You're getting top-notch quality, unbeatable durability, and peace of mind knowing your pizza oven is equipped with the best of the best. It's easy to see why this product is a fan favorite. So, whether you're a seasoned pizza pro or just getting started on your pizza-making journey, the
Minuteman International Cast Iron Cleanout Door is a must-have addition to your setup. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy pizza making!